Introduction to Freestyle Technique.
The freestyle, often called the front crawl, is the fastest and most popular swimming stroke. Mastering its technique can boost speed, endurance, and swimming enjoyment. This guide will break down the key steps to perfecting your freestyle stroke, ensuring each movement is optimized for both efficiency and power in the water.
Body position and alignment.
Efficiency starts with your body position. Aim to keep your body flat and horizontal, with your head facing down and eyes looking slightly forward. A streamlined position reduces drag, helping you glide smoothly. Keep your core engaged, hips high, and avoid unnecessary movements that can slow you down or cause fatigue.
Arm movement and catch.
Perfecting the arm stroke is crucial for power. Enter the water with fingertips first, extending forward in line with your shoulders. Pull your arm down and back in an S-shaped motion, keeping your elbow higher than your hand. This catch phase maximizes propulsion. Recover your arm above water with a relaxed elbow, ready for the next stroke.
Kicking and leg technique.
Legs provide balance and propulsion. Maintain a steady flutter kick from your hips, not your knees. Point your toes and keep your legs close together, creating minimal splash. A gentle, continuous kick keeps your body aligned and reduces drag, supporting the efficiency of your upper body movements.
Breathing and rhythm.
Controlled breathing is key. Turn your head to the side as you stroke, keeping one ear in the water, and inhale quickly without lifting your head too far. Exhale steadily underwater. Coordinate your breath with your arm movements, aiming for a consistent rhythm that doesn't disrupt your stroke or body alignment.
Putting it all together.
Combine these skills for optimal freestyle. Focus on smooth transitions between arm pulls, kicks, and breaths. Regular practice and video analysis can help identify areas for improvement. By adjusting each element for your body and swimming goals, you'll swim faster, farther, and with greater ease.